Welcome to the Bold Money Revolution podcast. This is your source for straight talking, no fluff, business and high performance conversations that add real depth and value to the way bold leaders live, work, and thrive. I'm your host, Tara Newman. I'm here to show you how to optimize your performance as a leader so that you can grow a business that is profit-rich, efficient, and allows you to generate real, tangible wealth for yourself and others. We are here to help you lead with your values, to perform without overwhelm and burnout, and to do your most important work in the world. Hey, it's Tara, and I'm popping in here with an invitation for you to attend a very special workshop that we have going on at the end of March 29th. And this workshop is called What to Do with Your Money So You Can Build Wealth in Any Economy. Now, 100% of survey respondents on a recent Instagram poll said that they will be prioritizing their mental health in 2022. And what we are finding is that we are at a zeitgeist between entrepreneurship, online business culture, and world change. And what I am seeing more than ever is women being completely spent in every imaginable way. Overspent on ads and marketing tactics, overspent on the capacity to take on more, overspent on programs that promised atypical results, overspent on nurturing people who may never invest with them. And what I'm hearing the most is that women want to learn real, reliable, and repeatable skills that will put money in their bank accounts. They have been faffing about, to borrow a word from my British friends, faffing about for too long, and now is the time that they want to learn real, reliable, and repeatable skills, right? And 9 in 10 women, research shows 9 in 10 women plan to take steps within the next 12 months to get their money working harder for them. Financial literacy is on every woman's mind as they look to close the pay gap, redistribute wealth, and question what their generation's legacy will be. And this is what we're going to be addressing in this workshop. I'm going to help you find the sweet spot between financial independence and personal freedom. So the work that you put into your business will directly correlate to your personal financial goals. And when we do that, you won't have to work as hard as you are. You will experience financial peace of mind, so you're not a ball of nerves all the time. You're going to gain the confidence you need to make wise money decisions that impact profitability. And you're going to see that as a woman, you're actually way better at this money game than the men. As a matter of fact, in the last 10 years, Fidelity has reported that women outperform men as investors. So I want you to hop on over to the show notes. I want you to sign up for this workshop, What to Do with Your Money So You Can Build Wealth in Any Economy. We are going to give you a simple framework to help you find that sweet spot between personal freedom and financial independence. We are going to make sure you get paid and rewarded for the effort and expertise and your well-earned credentials. We are going to take what you've earned and actually get it working for you, true passive income. And we're going to show you the most effective way to generate $250,000 in revenue so you can keep more than 50% of it for yourself. Now, who is this for? First of all, there's no prerequisites. If you feel like on a scale from 1 to 10, your confidence is maybe at a 2 around your money or your financial literacy, I want you there. If you answer that question and your confidence is at a 5, a 6, a 7, I want you there as well, right? This is for experts running a service-based business with a proven track record for getting their clients results. You don't want to sacrifice your personal freedom chasing ego-driven goals. Yes, you're ambitious, but your mental health is a priority. Your contribution is needed to support your family, and you are willing to put in time, effort, and energy to grow your business. So if this sounds like you, hop on over to the show notes and grab your spot in the workshop. Now, caveat, because everybody always asks, there will not be a replay, and I'm going to tell you why. It's important to me to maintain a closed, private, brave container for women to work through their money-ish. I want you to feel safe knowing that this replay won't be out on the interwebs anywhere. So I want you to come live, take action on the call, and experience the transformation with your peers. I look forward to seeing you there.